Yan. So, hi guys. Ako si Angel. Ano si Angel? Hi. Magbabalik. So, today's topic, Q&A. So, ano? Ito yung mga tanong. Madami siyang tanong. Yan natin. Madami siyang tanong. So, let's start. Okay, bubunot ako. Favorite sport or sports? Badminton and volleyball. Alam niyo na yan. Who's your ideal friend? My ideal friend, ang ideal friend ko is mabait, matulungin, hindi pasaway, hindi mga away, hindi siya bully. So, lagi nagpe-pray kay God, umaga, gabi, tanghali, lahat. Halimbawa, pagkakain, diba tatlong beses na kumakain, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, tsaka may merienda pa, apat yun. So, kailangan nagpe-pray. At tsaka tuwing gabi, at tsaka paggising. Yun. Favorite singer, Ariana Grande. I'm Ariana Tor. Yeah. Favorite subject, math. So, di ba lahat ng tao, parang yung ibang tao, parang ayaw sa math kasi ang hirap i-solve. Para sa akin, madali lang. Kasi, di ba po siya natatry? Pero kaya mahirap kasi pang high school siya. Yung sa pang high school na yung mga Pero madali lang yan kung kaya mo. Ay. Ano nga pala ngayon? June 16, 2016, Thursday. Happy Mansari Aldab Nation. Tsaka Happy Vicsari. Aldab fan kasi ako. Favorite song or songs? Lash Life, Never Forget You, tama, Never Forget. Tapos, Little Mix, Love Me Like You. Tapos, Secret Love Song, Rock Bottom. Yung Rock Bottom, we're on the right side of rock bottom, and I hope that we keep falling. Yon, tapos yung sa Lash Life, all my day as if there was no less, and my day as if there was no past, noon, late or night or summer, and I spend it like no other, and my day is hard until the dawn, but I won't get down, morning gone. Tapos yung naman, yung Love Me Like You. Last night I laid the past on blue, and I realized the truth, and love me like you, pati Cry. Ano ba yan? I always remember late afternoon. Yes, kasi favorite ng ko yun favorite artist. Si Main Mendoza. So, yung yung last, Never Forget You. Ay, meron pa pala Secret Love Song, tsaka Never Forget You. And never forget you. You will always be by my side till the day I met you. I knew when I would love you till the day I die. And I'm never much more. And in my heart I will always be sure I will never forget you. Tapos yun yung Secret Love Song. When you hold me in the street, I cannot kiss you on a dance floor. I wish that it could be like that. Can we feel like that? 'Cause I'm yours. Yun. Ito na. Ilan na? Dapat 10 siya. 5 na. Pang 6. Naranasan mo na ba na malate? Hindi pa. Hindi pa, as in hindi pa. Kahit mabagal ako kumilos pagpapasok. Hindi pa, promise. Kasi ang aga lagi ng service ko. Next. I wish that it could feel like that. But can we feel like that? Cause I'm yours. Who's your crush? Si Ricky Garcia ng Forever in Your Mind. So, itong lahat na tanong na to is tanong lahat ng mga classmates ko. Tsaka pinsan, or ganyan-ganyan. Favorite food? Favorite food? Menudo, pininyahan, tsaka kaldereta. Filipino. Iwang. Favorite artist? Main Mendoza and Alden Richards. Dalawa na lang. 2 more. 2 more. Favorite boy band? Forever in Your Mind. Favorite love team? Aldab, Maychard, Maiden. Isa lang yun eh. Isa lang yun. Si Main Mendoza and Alden Richard. Yung love team nilang dalawa kasi maganda. So, bagay talaga sila sa isa't isa. So, kaya naging Aldab fan ako. Fanatic. Yeah, fanatic talaga. So, happy Victory and Mansari Aldab Nation. Happy Victory and Mansari Ate Main and Kuya At.